The pyramid shown below has a square base, a height of 7, and a volume of 84. What is the length of the side of the base? So in this problem, let's write out the givens right now. The givens is we know the volume of this pyramid, and that is 84. The height is equal to 7, then that's labeled. This pyramid is a square base pyramid, which means the lengths on the bottom there, they're all going to be congruent. We want to find the length of the side of the base, so let's call that x. So in order for us to solve this, okay, we need to somehow come up with a relationship that will involve x. Since we're given volume, we're going to use the volume formula for a pyramid. And the volume formula for a pyramid, and this is true for not just a square-based pyramid, but for a circle-based pyramid, which happens to be called a cone, or a hexagonal base pyramid, or an octagonal base pyramid, they all have the same formula where if you have some uniform cross-section that culminates at some vertex, it's always going to be v equal to 1/3 area of the base, which I'm just going to call a, times the altitude. That's the formula. So the volume of this square base pyramid, therefore, is simply 1/3. What's the area of the base? Well, it's x times x, right? So it's x squared times h. The height here in this case is 7. And look at this. 1/3 x squared times 7, that's representative of the volume of the pyramid. Well, that also happens to be 84. So I'm left with this equation here. 1/3 x squared times 7 is equal to 84. I noticed there I need to isolate x now, right? So if I divide both sides by 7, I end up with 1/3 x squared. Dividing both sides by 7, I end up with 12, right? 84 divided by 7 is 12. And if I multiply both sides by 3, I end up with x squared is equal to 36. And then by taking the square root of both sides, I end up with x is equal to 6. So that means the length of the side of the square base pyramid must be 6, and that is option 1.